Hello, this is A.Majeed, and now I'll tell you and explain how to disassemble and also fan clean a laptop. So we have this old Samsung laptop here. So the first step of disassembling is the things that you actually need to disassemble a laptop. You need a screwdriver, which is important for the screws, and also a small screwdriver, which is optional for the screw size, and also you need the fan to fan clean for using the fan, and also you can use your thermal paste to spread on the heatsink, but it's actually optional as I don't have a heatsink at my I don't have a thermal paste at my location right now. So first, flip the laptop upside down, remove the batteries, then put the battery aside. Then you need to open the access panel, which is here. It's probably opened by a screwdriver or it could be opened by hand. So you need to unscrew it. And you can also use like a cup or a saucer so you could save your screws somewhere so they won't get lost. We open the access panel. Yeah. So after opening the access panel, we see the hard drives and the RAM. Sometimes you can see the Wi-Fi drivers. So first things first, remove the RAM. It's going to be removed by these two things here, and then put it aside. Then you need to unplug the hard drive or remove it. You need to unplug, then remove the screws. So when removing the screws, be cautious because some screws just fall off to the motherboard or the fan. This one was about to fall down. So after opening this, we need to open the other screws. It's mainly 4 screws in one hard drive. As this hard drive is old and it's like 500 gigabytes, it has Windows 8, which is old, and like no one just liked that operating system. It was so old. It ended support in like 2016. It was also too old. So we removed the hard drive. So we see that we have more than things like this one and these, and also some laptops have the CD drive, most of the old ones. So to remove the CD drive, or the DVD, so you need to unplug the special screw for it by using a screwdriver. Then we just pull it off. We set it aside. Then we see these screwdrivers and you need to remove them. So I'll just pause and skip the video till I remove them all. So after we remove those screws, you need to remove this main panel so we can access the fan, the motherboard. So I forgot one screw. It's okay. So the next step, it's like a little, like, you need to be careful, like some pieces would break as the motherboard is there, and it's mainly like blue green color. So after removing all the screws, you need to just carefully start removing these. Wait. Yeah, after you hear the sound. So some laptops have like the keyboard to open the motherboard or the fan, but we are not in that method because this is a beginner's method for beginners who are starters for disassembling some laptops. So we opened it. Good. So you see the fan, the heatsink, the processor is here, the screws. This is for the keyboard, and this wire is for the power button. When the person clicks the power button, the electricity comes all the way to here, so the motherboard could start working. This is the fan, and this is it's plugged to a motherboard for it to work. This is the heatsink, and it could be the thermal paste helps it to be cool. So this one makes the fan cool, and also the fan's temperature is actually a very important point in a laptop, because some laptops has an error or an issue for like the fan is so high in temperature, so sometimes the computer just randomly turns off. And this is also the display for the display. So this and this one actually helps in the display and the computer screen, and this one's for the RAMs and the hard drive, and this one is for the mouse. So let's start now removing the fans and the plugs. So first of thing all, you need to remove these things, which are the plugs. So this one. This one's for the Wi-Fi, for the mouse, for the touchpad. So let's check here the fan. So now we have the fan and the heatsink. So now we need to remove the fan by removing its screws. Yeah, you have a black screw, another black screw, so now the fan is officially removed, and I'm now teaching you how to do the fan cleaning. So it's basically simple. You just need a brush just to clean the fan. So I've cleaned this fan previously, so no need of doing it now. I cleaned it so hard because it was like so dirty, and it has so many things. So then we put the fan aside. You have the heatsink, which is the processor, which is right now here. So first we need to unscrew this. Then there are mainly 4 screws in the heatsink. Some fans are big and some fans are small, and sometimes in gaming laptops or in gaming laptops the fans are like advanced, and in gaming PCs or desktops the fans are like using all in one, like 3 to 1 fan or 4 to 2 fans and etc. So after unplugging, you see here the processor, you see here the USB that plugs all of them. So you need to put this one aside. So you can just now basically remove the motherboard. So the motherboard is like that. It has the electricity stored in it. It gets its charger from the battery, and we have a multimeter here. But I actually tried it on the battery because this PC has a motherboard issue, which is very weak in color. I mean, very weak in power. So when I tried putting it on the multimeter, like this comes, so it's not that powerful to boot a whole laptop, as it's Chinese. So now we need to reassemble all of this again, which is actually simple and easy. You just need to memorize the plugs. So we'll do that later. So now we assembled the laptop successfully, and the assembling we'll do it in a second video, which we will do it shortly. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and enable the notifications so you can see what's new in my channel. And I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.